It's Monday, let's talk money. Thinking about selling your home? Here are 3 costs to know and a plan for. If you still have a mortgage on your home, you will have to pay off the remaining balance. So let's break it down. If your home still has an outstanding mortgage, you'll need to ask your lender for a payoff statement. This will tell you how much you'll need to pay the lender when you sell. If you work with a real estate agent to sell your home, you may pay up to 6% of the home's sale price in realtor fees. The 6% would go towards both your real estate agent and the buyer's agent. And it's important to note that your actual percentages may vary from state to state. For example, if you sell your home for $300,000 and you work with a real estate agent to do so, up to $18,000 will go towards real estate commissions. Typically, the seller will be responsible for paying the real estate commission to both the seller and buyer's real estate agents. You should also consider the taxes you may have when you sell your home. Some of the most common taxes are transfer taxes and capital gains taxes. It's best to consult with your attorney or accountant, as they can advise you on specific rules for taxes in your state. Transfer taxes are exactly what they sound like, a tax on transferring ownership of the property. Transfer taxes vary from state to state. Some states offer specific exemptions for transfer taxes depending on the amount of the sale price and whether the transaction falls into a certain exemption category. Because of this, it's best to consult with your lawyer and accountant to understand the rules that will apply for your situation. But it's important to be aware of transfer taxes all the same. Capital gains taxes are taxes owed on the profit you make from selling your home. The exact amount of taxes you owe will be based on the profit, your income tax bracket, how long you've owned the house, and whether the house is your primary residence. Your accountant can advise you on the specific amount of taxes owed for your situation. So what's the takeaway here? Selling your house is a major milestone and can hopefully result in a nice profit. However, it's important to be aware of the costs that come with the sale. This will help you plan for what your net takeaway will be. We make these videos to help you be more prepared. Want more money tips like this? Follow @Valley Bank for more.